Apple's newest iPhone isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new category. At only 5.6 mm thin, the iPhone Air looks like a slice of the future. But does thinness mean compromise? Announced on September 9th and released on September 19th, 2025, the iPhone Air starts at $999 and comes in space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue. Apple calls it a breakthrough design that you have to hold to believe. Today we'll find out why. This is the thinnest and lightest iPhone ever. The Grade 5 titanium frame has a mirrored finish that's both elegant and tough. At 5.64 mm and 165 G, it even edges out Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge. The redesigned plateau houses the camera, speaker, and Apple Silicon, while freeing space for a larger battery. Up front is a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion. It supports a dynamic refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz and reaches an outdoor peak brightness of 3000 nits. Engadget says that in such a thin body, the screen looks like a page ripped from a magazine. The Air is tough. Ceramic Shield 2 protects the front and back, giving 3x better scratch resistance and 4x better crack resistance than previous glass. It meets Apple's strict bend strength tests, so you won't feel like it might snap. On the back is a single 48MP Fusion camera. It uses a large 2.0 quad-pixel sensor with sensor shift stabilization, enabling 28mm, 35mm, and 2x telephoto framing. Apple built a new image pipeline with focus control to capture depth and let you convert normal photos into portraits later. Photos can be saved at 24MP for a balance of detail and file size. The front introduces Center Stage, a square 18MP sensor that lets you shoot landscape selfies without rotating the phone. It automatically widens or narrows the field of view to fit everyone in. And dual capture records with both cameras at the same time. Video maxes out at 4K 60 FPS. You get Dolby Vision and spatial audio recording, but there's no 8K nor cinematic mode like on the Pro line. Inside, the A19 Pro chip pairs with N1 and C1X co-processors. Apple says it's the most power-efficient iPhone ever. Engadget notes that it's nearly the same processor as the iPhone 17 Pro, but with 1 fewer GPU core, and yet it still handles demanding games smoothly. Apple doesn't disclose battery capacity, but it claims 27 hours of local video playback. Tom's Guide's battery test of continuous 5G web surfing produced 12 hours and 2 minutes, only 45 minutes less than the standard iPhone 17. In a 5-hour streaming video test, the Air still had 81% battery, better than the Galaxy S25 Edge's 67%. With Apple's $99 MagSafe battery, it stretched to 17 hours 15 minutes. One downside is charging. The Air lacks the faster 40W charging of the Pro series. We saw about 55% charge in 30 minutes. The Air runs iOS 26 with a new liquid glass design, improved customization, and features like Hold Assist to stay on hold for you. Apple's AI, called Apple Intelligence, offers on-device image recognition and ChatGPT integration, but reviewers say it lags behind Google's Gemini. eSIM is the only SIM option, saving internal space. There's one mono speaker, which Engadget found to be loud but tinny, and there's no mmWave 5G support. So, who is the iPhone Air for? If you crave a futuristic design, want a large, bright screen, and can live without multiple cameras, this phone feels like holding a piece of tomorrow. But if telephoto or ultra-wide photography is important, or you need marathon battery life and fast charging, you might prefer the iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. Do you think the design trade-offs are worth it? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.